manager, Connection Live, Toulouse. A very worthy opponent. We had less people in Bordeaux last night and they almost won because they sang very well. We're ready to find out what you have, what you're made of, Toulouse. Are you ready to rumble? It's not a Cronenberg, is it? 16? Alright, I thought you guys were in trouble. Every time he drinks 1664, he's unstoppable! Let's see what the fuck you got! Hey Rocky, I hate to say, wish you would just go away. Don't come back another day, okay? I say Rocky, I hate to say, I wish you would just go away. Don't come back another day, okay? Bring it up! We're gonna need better to knock him out. Don't wanna be insecure. I'll talk to you at home. Go away, leave me alone. You embarrass me. You want to see us head out without you. Hey, Rocky, I hate to say, wish you would just go away. Don't come back another day, okay? Rocky, I hate to say, wish you would just go away. Don't come back another day, okay? To say, wish you would just go away. Yo, Adrian! Ladies and gentlemen, that was a hell of a fight. You almost fucking won, but the fight is rigged. He wins every night. Dave, Rocky, Vivo!
Thank you, Toulouse. Thank you so much, friends. We love you.
Come on, you didn't really think it was gonna be a fair fight, did you? Everybody knows boxing is rigged. The only real sport is wrestling. One more time for our founding father and bass player, Dave Rocky Nemo!
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Are you ready?